Hey friends, today we're making a cozy crock-pot Chinese hot pot. It's warm, comforting, and perfect for busy days when you want dinner to cook itself. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need vegetable broth, brown cremini mushrooms, napa cabbage, carrots, green onions, tofu, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, and chili paste. Simple ingredients that build big flavor. Add the mushrooms, cabbage, carrots, green onions, and tofu to the crock pot. Spread everything out gently so the veggies sit evenly before adding the broth. Pour in the broth, then add garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, and chili paste. These aromatics melt into the broth and build the base flavor. Place the lid on, set the crock pot to low, and let everything slowly simmer until the flavors come together. Ladle the hot pot into bowls, then finish with a sprinkle of green onions for freshness. Cozy comfort in a bowl. So warming and full of flavor. This crock pot hot pot makes cold days feel a little easier. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.